The Vanishing Phone. Chapter 1. The Lost Phone. Ethan was a 16-year-old boy. He was funny, smart, and always busy with his phone. He loved taking photos, chatting with friends, and posting stories on social media. One rainy evening, Ethan was on the city bus. The bus was crowded. People stood close together, holding umbrellas and bags. Ethan put his phone into his jacket pocket for a moment. When he reached his bus stop, he jumped off quickly. But as he walked home, he put his hand into his pocket, and his phone was gone. "Oh no!" he shouted. He checked his bag, his other pockets, and even inside his shoes, but the phone was nowhere. Ethan felt sick in his stomach. His phone had all his photos, chats, and important school documents. His parents would be angry. Chapter 2. The Strange Post. That night, Ethan used his mother's laptop to log into his social media. He wanted to post, "Lost my phone. Please call my mom's number if found." But then he saw something that made his heart stop. A new photo was posted from his account 1 hour ago. In the photo, someone was standing in front of a dark alley holding Ethan's phone up like a trophy. The person was wearing a black hoodie. The face was half covered by the hood. The caption said, "Catch me if you can." Ethan's hands shook. Who was this person? How did they have his phone? And why were they posting on his account? Chapter 3. Clues in the City. The next day, Ethan showed the photo to his best friend, Mia. Mia was smart and curious. She loved mysteries. Mia said, "We can find the place in the photo. Look at the graffiti on the wall behind the person. It's a red cat with yellow eyes. That's near the old train station." Ethan felt nervous, but he wanted his phone back. So he and Mia went to the old train station after school. The station was abandoned. Broken windows, rusty tracks, empty silence. Suddenly, Mia pointed. "Look!" On the wall was the same red cat graffiti from the photo. Ethan and Mia walked closer. Then a voice spoke behind them. "So you came." It was the person in the black hoodie. Ethan felt his legs go weak. The person stepped into the light. It was a boy about 17, with sharp eyes and a small scar on his cheek. He said, "My name is Jay. Do you want your phone back?" Ethan nodded quickly. Jay smiled. "Let's play a game. Solve my puzzles or your phone is gone forever. If you fail, your secrets go public." "What secrets?" asked Ethan. Jay showed the phone. There were Ethan's private photos, chats, and even school documents. Mia whispered, "Don't play his game, Ethan." But Ethan had no choice. Chapter 5. The First Puzzle. Jay pulled out a paper. First puzzle. Find this place. On the paper was a photo of a lion statue with the cracked paw. "That's easy," Mia said. "It's the lion statue in Central Park." Jay smiled. "Good. You have 30 minutes. Run." Chapter 6. The Lion Statue. Ethan and Mia ran through busy streets. Cars honked. Rain began to fall again. At the park, they found a lion statue. Its paw was cracked, just like the photo. Behind the statue, Ethan found a small box. Inside was a note. Next puzzle. Find the place where music plays without sound. "What does that mean?" Ethan said. Mia thought hard. Music, but no sound. Maybe the music store's window display? The instruments are there, but silent. Chapter 7. The Silent Music. They ran to the music shop. Sure enough, the window was full of guitars, drums, and violins. Silent music. Taped to the glass was another note. One final puzzle. Find me where secrets hide in pages. Mia grinned. "The library." Chapter 8. The Library Showdown. At the library, they found Jay sitting on a table, spinning Ethan's phone on his finger. Jay stood up. "So, you're clever, Ethan, but let's see if you'll trade your secrets for your friend's safety." Suddenly, two older boys stepped out and grabbed Mia's arms. She struggled. Jay said, "Give me your passwords, or your friend gets hurt." Ethan's heart pounded. He wanted to scream, but Mia shouted, "Don't give it to him, Ethan." Ethan thought fast. He pretended to unlock his account and typed a message to the police instead. Then he handed Jay the phone. Jay checked the screen and saw flashing words. "Police are on the way." Jay's eyes went wide. Suddenly, sirens wailed outside the library. Police officers rushed in. Jay tried to run, but Ethan tackled him. The two older boys dropped Mia and fled. Chapter 10. The Truth Comes Out. The police arrested Jay. Ethan finally got his phone back. He hugged Mia tightly. Jay admitted he was angry because Ethan had once accidentally embarrassed him in a group chat, so he stole the phone to get revenge. Ethan felt bad, but also relieved it was over. Epilogue. 2 days later, Ethan sat at lunch with Mia. "I'm never losing my phone again," Ethan said, smiling. Mia grinned. "Or getting on a crowded bus without zipping your pocket." They both laughed. And Ethan's phone stayed safe, in his front pocket, zipped tight. The end.